how do you check your zip code? So if you want to check your zip code, which is your own location's zip code, you can do it from your mobile phone or computer. First, you just need to make sure you have enabled location access. So make sure to turn on your GPS location. Once you've done that, you can just go to any browser of your choice and just type in my zip code. And if it asks you for location permission, make sure to allow that, right? So normally you'll find a search result, but if you don't, you can see this link from mapdevelopers.com. This is the website we want to go to that says what is my zip code right here. So once we go there, you can choose to enter your address manually and find the zip code of address. But if you scroll down, because you have enabled location access, right, you can just find it, and right there you'll find your zip code right there. And this way you'll be able to check your zip code. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.